The Jamaica Labour Party is intensifying its campaign activities in northeast Manchester. The party is trying to shore up support in the seat ahead of the imminent general election. The country is anxiously awaiting the day the Prime Minister will announce the next general election date. With the last election held on September 3, 2020, many believe the election could be called in a matter of weeks. In northeast Manchester Saturday afternoon, signs that the JLP is increasing campaign activities with Deputy Leader Desmond Mackenzie at the helm. First, he took jabs at opposition leader Mark Golding over his behavior at a recent PNP meeting, which led him to use an expletive.
How can you compare my Prime Minister with this man? Yo. Andrew Holness don't need to test a microphone. Andrew Holness don't need to use a microphone to broadcast his message to the people of Jamaica. The people of Jamaica is living it every day of their lives.
In going further, he explained that the PNP's strategy is only to criticize the government, leading to this comment.
Hate this, hate that, six of that. Everybody, how much bank book man have and all them things like them love man. You know what one of them tell me? A comrade tell me? That them know the ministry, that they are going to work. And they already identify the drapes and the carpet that them will put in at the office. Can you imagine? Election no call. And the only thing they can think about is putting drapes and carpet in the office. They're not talking about how you're going to do better than what the Jamaica Labour Party has been doing.
Now, the tour was centered around the JLP's new candidate for the constituency, Audrey Marks, who will be taking over from long-serving MP Audley Shaw.
He has been going at it all day with all of us here just to show our appreciation and to call on you to turn out on that day.